That 90s Show is an upcoming American television period sitcom set in the 1990s featuring characters and locales debuted in its predecessor That 70s Show, which aired on Fox from 1998 to 2006. It is set to premiere on the streaming service Netflix. The show will revolve around Leah Foreman, the daughter of Eric Foreman and Donna Pinciotti, forming bonds with other teenagers as she spends the summer of 1995 with her grandparents, Red and Kitty in Point Place, Wisconsin, 15 and a half years after the events of That 70s Show concluded on December 31, 1979. That 70s Show was a sitcom that aired on Fox for 8 seasons from 1998 to 2006, centering around the lives of teenagers from 1976 to 1979 during the titular decade. The show garnered additional popularity after its conclusion due to its availability on Netflix before leaving the platform in September 2020. In October 2021, Netflix announced a spin-off of the series, titled That 90s Show, with Kurtwood Smith and Deborah Jo Rupp reprising their roles as Red and Kitty Foreman, respectively. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.